Guys, hopes everybody is doing well. In this video update we will talk about BDCs. If you guys are new on this channel, guys, make sure to subscribe to my channel, make sure to hit that notification bell icon. If you guys are not in my Discord, the link of my Discord is in the description. Get into my Discord right now. So guys, before wasting any time, let's get going. At the time of recording this video, BTC is basically pulling back to the downside, which is what I can say is not a good thing to see, specifically right now. And why? Because there is like a definite volume surge. Before that, when every single time we were dumping to the downside, look at this, I don't see any volume. When the price is going to the downside, look at this, we don't see any volume. But this time there is a spike in volume, so that's why a little bit a thing to be worried, right? And then I will definitely show you one of my this chart, which is definitely very important to understand as well. But before that, let's talk about lower time frames. Specifically, we are trading within this range. We swept this low, then we swept this low, and then we went to the upside. We formed this high, then we went down, pump again, we left this high again, then again yesterday we dipped to the downside. And if this does not like inverse head and shoulder pattern, but whatever, I will not complex few things. I will talk about this very simply, whatever I see. So guys, today we saw this pump, and there is this SFP, and there is this SFP right here as well. So we formed some sort of an SFP, but it would have been a better one if we had not, if we have swept this liquidity, which I was talking about for many days now. If we talk about liquidity right here on the 3-day, there is a small liquidity around $15 million, exactly around these lows, basically these lows right here. But there are massive, like 27 million liquidations of short, specifically leverage positions, are where this area. So guys, what's the plan? There is low liquidity here, so we should sweep this liquidity out, and then we should go for this liquidity. This is very important to understand, right? I hope it makes sense to you guys. Now before that, let's get back to this chart. This is the daily chart. This is the accumulation, this is the deviation right here. And now if we see back these areas, like from 91.5k all the way up to 91.6 or 90.5k, that would be our area to go again for some sort of another long position, right? So this would be our area. This is going to be our area from here till here, exactly below these range lows. This is going to be our area to aim, and then again target is higher. This is very simple. Now this is for like if on the lower time frames what I'm looking at, and this is on the higher time frames, and I want you guys to understand. So the point right here is we are forming this symmetrical triangle right here as well. Symmetrical triangle, we have formed this deviation, and I want this price to hit this level, which is a small liquidity area, which I told you right here, and then surge the price to the upside. So guys, the point is we need to find level to level. We need to trade it level to level. So before this level, which I showed you here, which is also a very good area to bet from here till here, if we don't sweep this liquidity, if we do not sweep this liquidity, then this is like, and if he pushes through every single thing, then this is our area to bet, right? Very simple. And if not, we also have a support right here around 93.5k. We have a support right here, while the next support is definitely sitting at 92.7k, which is very important support. And this would be a perfect area, the most probable area. Also this liquidity will be taken out, and also the most probable, this liquidity sitting whatever 7 or whatever this is, it will be a perfect area, and also the symmetrical triangle bottom as well. So if I'm a market maker, I will definitely do that. But as a person, if I want good price action, I will do this, and this is what I will follow. But we don't know what market makers will do to us. So guys, before wasting any time, this is the update, and if you guys want to join my subscription, lifetime from $130 only.